A man accidentally threw away a $50,000 coffee cup, then sued the 10-year-old girl who found it. In 2006, Tim Hortons ran a coffee promo in Canada. Lift the cup rim and you might win big. At a local school, a 10-year-old girl found one of those cups in the trash. She peeled it open, and it said she'd won the grand prize, a brand new Toyota RAV4. Quick break. If this story surprised you, tap like to keep more coming. Soon the school janitor claimed the cup was his and demanded a DNA test to prove it. But under Canadian law, once you throw something away, it's no longer yours. The court sided with the girl, and she drove away with the prize.